Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page, of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 12th, 2023. We have here for today six puzzles. The Three Stars Sudoku, this one has 27 printed digits, should be a one-star puzzle. We have a 3 stars Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku, the Tectonic, and two binaries, 10 by 10. Four of these puzzles I will do, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright, let me start with this one. The 3 stars Sudoku number 6909. Yeah, 6909. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, should be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But we'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah. How about? Yeah. I need to think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 6 and a 9 in these two boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in this column, so no 6 and a 9 in those two boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Okay. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. And now. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the second row, so in the first row, only place left for the 3, should be there. Yeah. Okay. Let me think. 2. We have a 4 here. We have a 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 there. Need an 8 here. Yeah, need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 there. 6. Well, we have a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there, 3. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. We have a pair. 3 in this row, 3 in the 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. And 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Oh, wait. So 3 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1, 5, 6. 2, 8. 7, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 7. Yeah. That means 3 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes here, 7 in this row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. So here 2 missing numbers now in this big square. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 here. 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 and a 5, okay. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in the second column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Oh, all right. Okay. Then 8, 8. 8, 8, yes. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, I'm 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. The 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. Alright. So 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column. There's no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. I believe the 7 is missing. 7. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 7 now. How about the 5 in the last column? 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. Third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. The final 2 numbers in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Don't think so. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.